Try. If you can tighten up this little muffin. Tighten it up little muffin.
Put more dry stuff in there.
Yeah. So this is the first thing now to the ledge. Yes, on the ledge, this is the people. Yeah, jump and run in. Yes, so. So see the number of people the ledge bill and done with you now. So the only thing for me now is to just dry. Yeah, once in dry and good to go. Yeah, but we can work around him same way. Not a big deal. Yeah, so finish with him now. So as I say, all of this are just the preparation stage, so you know, stage by stage. Yeah. Up and running. Alright my people, so see what we're there now. As I said, the target is to catch out the first one right round. Yeah. So we start it. First row I try to catch right round. Yeah. So we're up on the target there. Then whole bathroom I tie from floor to ceiling. Yeah, so we have this come right round with you now. So as I say, everything on tile floor to ceiling. Yeah, same tile on the floor, it on the wall. Alright my people, so right on the bathroom up and running. Yeah. So this is how we deal with it right now. Yeah, so everything right to ceiling. Ceiling them not too tall still, but you know, right up there. Yeah, so we just have one more piece to catch out here, so and two pieces there. Right there, so. As you can see, we take time to go on. Tile run up on the wall. Yeah, so the same tile on the floor. Yeah, so same tile run up on the wall, some 24 by 24 porcelain. Yeah. Yeah, so I will trim right around the door. And I'll catch in that little piece there in this one. Yes, as I say, the time I go on. The bathroom look good so far. Alright, my people there in my bathroom. Now we can do now. Try to run out. Run out some tile on the wall.
This one is not big fall. Screw them. How are you?
Oh, that area we cut. I said that area we cut.
Alright, so there are people as I said. Get some time running. Up and running.
This can stay as it is, not true? This not the trouble, not further.
Yeah, it's a bit too hard. What make it stay first? What mark it?
Yeah, I can get off of that there.
That area we cut before, it is shape cut over time.
There we go. Put off there now.
Yeah, piece of them small piece. The ground is up
No
on it.
man, yo. That one them have to go cut it back.
Yeah, go cut over this side.
Alright my peeps, alright now we're trying to get some growth on the wall. So as you can see we start growth and start to wipe off. Yeah. Some have the niche put in the bottom. Put on the ledge. So you know as soon as we do all of that I'm showing what I want. Yeah. So I wipe off some growth off of the wall you know. Yeah, bathroom nice and sweet. Yeah, so I see some growth in a one. Yeah, so get all of them part of growth up. See if I can drop in the niche there now. Yeah. So now see it as we go along, you know. Work still going in if you do, so just take your time and do what I do. As I say, some growth up on the wall where I try to get it off. Yeah. So you know stage by stage, so the process roll. Yeah. So what you are going on my people, so right on see it here. Cut on the ledge. Cast up the shower. Yeah, so you know say bathroom almost growth up. Niche drop in. Yeah, so that's the niche. So the niche on the left growth up you know. So I'm going to say we have brought up the place. so that's how we look right here now. Yeah, so this is some growth in a one and out, you know. Yeah. So as I said, I'm going to drop in the shower bottom now. Just cut it out, you know. So as you can see, it can't up. So I just drop in right now. Yeah, so you know, say almost finished. Yeah, so everything look nice and sweet. Up and running. Alright my people, so right on the shower drop in. Yeah, so as I said, the wall growth up. Yeah. So we're done with the wall now. Yeah, just the niche we have to touch out. So everything else on the wall growth up. So the shower drop in. Yeah, the ledge cut on. So you know, we just have the shower for growth up. So bathroom almost done. Yes, everything right to ceiling. Yeah, so that like a piece they drop in on the doorway. Right, this one. Trimming come down. Yes, as you can see that. So yes, my people, like I said upon the juggling, you know, if you watch the video to this far, yeah, just like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah, so like I said, basically finished. Just the shower for growth up, you know, like a touching. Yeah. So everything otherwise basically growth up. So the same tile on the floor, you know. Same tile on the wall. Yeah, some nice transition. Yeah, 24 by 24 porcelain. So as I said, the same thing on the floor, pick up on the wall. Yeah, the shower. So you do the shower now. The same mosaic in the shower. It's not the back of the niche. Yeah. As I said, the niche we just grow up here now. Just the niche and the shower. Yeah, and that's the bathroom good to go. Yeah, so this is how we did. As I said, we're good so far right now. Yeah, bathroom nice and sweet. So my people so see me now. So everything done and grow up. Yeah. Shower grow up. Niche grow up. Yeah, so the bathroom basically finished right now 100%. Yeah. So this is how it look like you know. Yeah man, everything up and running. Yes my people, so remember to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Yeah, if you watched the video to so far and you're not subscribed yet, yeah, just click the subscribe button, you know, get the channel to grow. Yeah, so as we say, basically finishing out everything up and running. Yeah, every last piece of tile dropped in. Yeah. Right round and round. Yeah, everything growed up. Yeah, so this is how my ceiling look like. A nice clean cut. Yeah, so the same tile we use in the shower. Keep going at the back of the niche. Yeah, so up and running. Make sweet and nice. Yeah, bathroom nice to go, you know. So just the plumber to come in and I'm doing thing. I know say everything up and running. Yeah. Yes my people, so as I said, this is how we do with it. You know, everything growth up and done, you know. Alright.